Hello my dear class 11, I am teacher Shimna. Today our topic is about the digital divide. Let's begin. First of all, we can go through the learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand what is meant by the digital divide, what causes the digital divide, including differences in technology and areas of society. What can be done to reduce the digital divide? Okay. These are the key terms that we will use throughout the lesson. They are demographic. It is a particular section of a population. Then economic, relating to a country in terms of their production and consumption of goods. What is next? Broadband. It's related to the internet. It is a method of faster data transmission that can carry several channels of data at once. Infrastructure. It is a physical structure that are needed for a service or operation. E-commerce. It is related to the online business. That is called, it can conducted electronically. Bandwidth, the amount of data that can be transmitted at one time. Okay, so these are the key terms. What is the digital divide? The term digital divide, it was first popularized in 1990s, or it started at 1990s. Then the description of digital divide or the definition of digital divide. It is a technology division or the gap between countries, demographic group and economic areas. Here you will find the demographic and economic, right? So the demographic, it can be the particular section of a population or a particular area of a population in a country. Then economic areas or economic regions, it implies or it relates to a country in terms of their production and consumption of goods and services. Okay, so it is a gap. What kind of gap? A technology gap or a division between the countries, a part of a country or its economic regions. Okay, what can make this kind of division we are going to discuss in detail. It is a technical, social and economic issue. Okay, technical means it involves a technology. Then social, the social or society. There are a lot of aspects in terms of the society, like the population or the rich and poor regions. Okay, it covers the differences in availability and use of modern technology. There are a lot of causes that can make the digital divide. Okay, because the availability and the use of the modern technology can vary, depends on its technical, social and economic issues. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. There is one more fact in the digital divide, that is its division that can experience the